Hello, my name is Eric Mosso and I'd like to share with you my game design. This game is called Botanical Garden and the Modern Conservatory. In this game you will be constructing a 21st century botanical garden. You will not only be putting on flower shows, but be on the cutting edge of the conservation movement. Let's go to the game to see how you can accomplish this. This game will incorporate two mechanics, worker placement and tile laying. Let's look at how the game is played, starting with worker placement. The places you can go to are plant purchases. You will need to purchase these cubes in different colors to accomplish certain goals. We'll go over those goals later. One of the goals is to make hybrids using red and blue, red and yellow, or red and white to form purple, orange, and pink. Another thing you would need to do is buy buildings, buildings to place your plants on. And they come in single-sized buildings or double-sized buildings. Now, when you buy buildings, your environmental footprint and your resource uses will go up, obviously, as you build stuff. So you're going to need to make some innovations to keep your environmental footprint and resource usage down. And these are some of the innovations. The PV panels for lowering your environmental footprint too. So by doing that, you will keep your environmental footprint and resource usage down. This is a track that keeps track of that. So at the end of each year, after 3 turns, you see where you're at on the trail. And in prestige is what basically victory points in the game. So wherever you're at in the trail, you will lose those victory points as the game goes on. But the only way to get money and prestige, one of the ways to get it, is to put on shows. And you will need certain colored flower types, like the rhythm and bulbs one in the upper left, the spring one. You need 2 red, a yellow, and 1 orange, and you get 4 prestige, and you get $5. So after 3 years, there'll be a second set of come out, and after the 6th year, a third set of shows come out, so they kind of look like that. Another way to get prestige is to complete Botanical Garden awards, and you need to have certain requirements to complete these. And these are real awards that Botanical Gardens do accomplish. And you can see like net zero energy building certification. You need 6 buildings, 4 innovations, and 4 green flower cubes. And you also have to have 0 environmental footprint and resource to take it. So the first person will get 8 victory points, 8 prestige, then 5, then 2. So these are the 5 awards that you can accomplish: living building certification and so forth. Another thing, there's also turn order. Turn order is not clockwise. The first person who passes on a turn will get to select where they want to go. So in the 4-player game, the first person will get the draft first. And drafting first means you get to pick one of the specialists, and these are the specialists down here. In each round, they will be different. They were face down. You just take the number of players plus 1. So the first person will get to select which one he wants to use first, and then the second player will select the second one, and then the third player will select the third one, and so forth. Also, the second, third, and fourth player do get a special bonus, like the second player gets 1 cube for free to start the next round. This is what the player board looks like. I just put a couple cubes on it to show. So as you can see, as you purchase flowers, cubes, and building structures, you place them on your board. And as you place them on your board, there are some special bonuses you will get when you cover up one of the spaces. Each of the buildings must go back to your start building, which is in the middle of the bottom row. These show some cubes on there, and it also shows some of the innovations that are on the board. So this is each of the boards are similar to start, but you can probably have a backside where it's very random with different maybe bonuses that are on the board. I just made all 4 boards similar. But as you can see, as you need these cubes to do the shows, and you'll need to get money to buy more things. So it's kind of this is kind of the part where you're making sure that you can have enough bonuses to win the game. So that's pretty much the game. Basically, get basic worker placement, tile laying here to complete the requirements needed to win the game. So that's pretty much the game. Hopefully you'll enjoy the game. So thanks for watching, and take care. Bye.